Welcome to Honor of Kings. Hello guys, Saint Seiya collab skin has arrived. Kaya syempre, gagamitin agad natin yan sa ranking. Huyit, tumakbo! Muntik madapa kaya lumipad na lang. Grabe guys, ang angas talaga ng skin, hindi tinipid oh. Grabe, kitang kita nyo naman yan, ang angas ng skin. Ito yung first skill niya guys. Ito naman yung kanyang second skill. At syempre guys, ito naman yung kanyang ultimate or third skill. Ang angas guys, no, hindi